Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial. How to change your iCloud email address through your Apple ID, all updated for 2025. Whether you're looking to boost your privacy, fix an old email, or just start fresh, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and straightforward. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother changing your iCloud email? In 2025, with enhanced security features from Apple, updating your email helps protect your account and keeps your personal info safe. Plus, it's a quick process that only takes a few minutes. Step 1. Grab your device and open a web browser. Head over to appleid.apple.com. That's the hub for managing your Apple ID. Make sure you're on a secure connection for this. Step 2. Sign in with your current Apple ID and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a verification code. Enter that to proceed. Once you're logged in, look for the Sign In and Security section on the left menu. Click on it, and then find Email and Phone Numbers under your account details. Step 3. Here, you'll see your current primary iCloud email. To change it, click Add Email Address and type in the new email you want to use. Remember, this email must be one you can access easily. Step 4. Apple will send a verification code to your new email address. Check your inbox, grab that code, and enter it back on the Apple ID page to confirm. Step 5. After verification, go back to your list of emails. Select the new one and click Make Primary. Double-check everything, then hit Save Changes. Finally, sign out and sign back in on your devices to ensure the update takes effect. One quick tip. Your old email might still work for a bit, but update it in all your apps and services to avoid any confusion. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your iCloud email address. If you run into any issues, like an email already in use, check Apple's support page. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.